Okay, students, now we are in the world of mathematics. We have completed physics and chemistry. And in mathematics, I start with geometry. That is a triangle, circle, surface area and volume. 3 chapters. Area related to circle is removed, not there in the syllabus. Construction chapter, it is actually meant for subjectives. So I am going to discuss about 3 chapters. Total 12 questions are here. I have got more than 100. I already told you in the videos. But here I have chosen some important questions, how they tackle the questions. 12 together in the 2 chapters and 10 more, 10 to 13. Round about 25 marks from geometry I am going to give you. And then we go to remaining chapters of the mathematics. Here I have written about triangle. In triangle you have 2 things. One is basic proportionality theorem. Another one is Pythagoras theorem. Similar triangles, what we call in the BPT. You must remember this. When a triangle is drawn and the parallel lines are drawn, this part, that is AP divided by PB, is equal to AQ divided by QC. Parts are in the same ratio. This line divides. You must know this. And one more thing, remember, if the line divides the 2 sides proportionally, they must be parallel. So they may ask, which of the following make PQ parallel BC, converse of PPT? By which criteria you can prove the triangles are similar? They are on what based? Like that we go for similar triangles. Similar triangles, usually objective questions, means BPT, converse of BPT and criteria. By which criteria? You must know. If all 3 angles are taken, it is AAA criteria. If 2 sides and included angles are taken, they are SAS criteria. You must know these things carefully. Now we'll see the first question. In triangle ABC, PQ is parallel to BC. AP is given as 5, PC is given as 3 and PQ is given as 2. What is the value of BC? You can apply corollary because he has asked here AP by AC. For the first one I write here AP by AC is equal to PQ by BC. PQ by BC. One step you have to write. In mathematics, 1 step, 2 steps you must write. Some questions are very straightforward. No need of any timings. Then fill up. AP is 5. AC is, here AC is total AP plus PC, that is 8. Directly you write. PQ is 2 and he has asked BC. Further don't solve. Orally you can do. BC goes here. A to the 16. 16 by 5. 16 by 5 means 5 3s are 15. 1 remains. I think 5 2s are. 3.2. This is A. I have taken half a minute to solve. Here steps are not required. Remember in mathematics. Steps are not required. Only 1 or 2 you can write. Remaining all the steps should not be written. What I mean. So just see 1 step, 2nd step. 3rd one is orally you can do it. So answer for the first one is 3.2. It is corollary because smaller side upon bigger, yes. AP smaller, AC larger, bigger. Next, according to BPT, which of the following is correct? First, you must know the concept. Part-wise AP by PB, where it is here, it is here. Means these two are gone. Here, AQ by QC, it is here. So correct answer is C. It does not require the steps. I think you are understanding. Next, it is QA is asked, PA is given as a 3, AR as a 4, it is perpendicular. Immediately remember ratios. Ratios you remember. PA divided by QA is equal to QA divided by AR. That is cross multiplication. QA square equal to PA into AR. That is a trick. QA square is equal to QA square equal to PA into AR. You write this time. Then immediately fill up 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. But we want QA. Means you have to write in the root sign. Root of 4 is 2. 2 comes out, 3 remains. 2 root 3. It is here. It does not require so much time. It requires very less time. Logic is very important. Logic. You must know that concept. Like that, one more thing I would like to tell you. QP square equal to PA into PR. QR square equal to AR into PR. You remember this much. That's all. Next. Which of the following is Pythagorean triplets? Here, if you know some starting conjugative 10 triplets, it is very easy. 3, 4, 5 you can go for, because 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 16 plus 9, 25 is equal to 5 square. Over. Here you are not going to get. This is over. See, it does not require time. Sometimes for bigger numbers it requires. So better you practice some 10 conjugative from smaller numbers onwards, triplets. It's very easy. Next. A, you just see the marking. It is a square. I have not written here. A, B, C, D is a square. Square means you must remember all the angles are 90 degree. Diagonals are equal. Let it be. One of the sides AB is given. What is the length of diagonal? Don't write anything. Quickly you write. It is 90 degree. Pythagoras. AC square equal to 4 square. It is also 4 because sides are equal. 4 square is 16. 4 square is 16. When you add, you will get 32. Square root of 32 is 16 to the 16 root is 4. 4 root 2. Where the answer? It is here. 4 root 2. No need to solve the problem. Orally you can do. It is possible for very talented, intelligent, fast approaching students. All of you are having that capacity. You can try. Time is there. Next. If you see ABC is here, two sides are equal. Means isosceles. AP is drawn perpendicular to the base. You must know the technique. When you draw perpendicular from the vertex to in the isosceles triangle, it bisects the base. Means this part equal to this part. You watch what he has given. AB is given. AP is given. He has asked BC. You can apply Pythagoras. AB square, 13 square. It is here minus AP square, 5 square. 169 minus 25 is 144. 144 means BP is 12. When this is 12, it must be 12. 12 plus 12, 24. Fastest method. 24. You must know that concept. When you draw the perpendicular, it bisects the base. So, I have solved some questions based on triangles. Now I move on to circles. Like that, in a triangle, you prepare by yourselves. In circle, you must remember, in a circle, this is called radius, common sense. It is called chord. It is called secant, which meets at 2 points. They may ask, this is tangent, which passes through only 1 point. It is tangent. You must know all these things. And you must know here, radius and the tangent at the point of contact, 90 degree. You must know when you draw the tangents from one point, external point to the circle, these two tangents are equal. How many maximum tangents can be drawn? Only 2. This is the concept of the chapter. Based on this, subjective questions are there. 2 marks, 3 marks. But here, they are going to ask only objective questions. How? I have written some 6. Maximum number of tangents to a circle from different 2 external points. Means one circle is here, 1 point to 1 point. Say PQ. How many tangents you can draw? 1, 2. Here, 1 and 2. Maximum, how many tangents? 4. I think the answer is C. It does not require any diagram. Taking the scale, draw the diagram, external points, no. OA is 5, it is 5. AB is 12. How much is OB? Nothing is given. O is the center of circle. But you must know, radius and the tangent at the point of contact is 90. 90 degree means it is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means immediately you must remember Pythagoras. Means OB square equal to this square plus this square. 5 square, 25. 12 square, 144. 25 plus 144, 169. Root is 13. A is the answer. See, I have not written anything. Your brain work is important. You must remember how to write. Next, TGT. I have written here short form. In the exam, there will be no short form. There will be full spelling. TGT means tangent. And radius at the point of contact are. How are they to each other? They are nothing but 90 degree. It is the answer. It does not require any calculation part. Next. Go to 10th one. See here, TS is 3.5. This is 3.5. PQ is 3. This is 3. These two are given. He has asked SQ. How much centimeter? Dash centimeter. Remember, this is external point. So these two tangents are equal. 3.5 means it is 3.5. PQ 3 means it is also 3. You must see the external point and point of contact. Don't see anywhere. So 3.5 and 3 when you add, you will get SQ. 6.5 where the answer is? Here D. See, simple logic. You should not solve. Intelligent people, most intelligent students will never solve. They just see. They just watch, they select. But sometimes medium students, such students should write. They must solve. Try to cultivate the habit, nothing will happen. I go to next 11th one. Second passes through circle and dash point. Second means 2 points over 1 and 2. So answer is only 1, 2, 3, infinity. Correct answer is B. This is called straightforward questions. Honorable Minister already told, straightforward questions will be asked. Agreed? So that's why try to see such questions also. 12th one, the straight line which passes through only one point on the circle. Nothing but tangent, where the tangent is here, D. Means this is how some straightforward questions are there and some calculated questions are also there. You must remember such things. Where to apply, when to apply Pythagoras. So with this, students, whatever I have told about triangle and circle, you be careful. Even about the statement, in a right angle triangle, square on hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares on other two sides. This statement is called option A, BPT, B, converse of BPT, C, Pythagoras theorem, D, something else, some other names. Brahmagupta theorem. Correct statement is Pythagoras according to the text, correct information. So you have to go for C, I mean Pythagoras. Such statements should not be forgotten. One more thing I would like to write, say another one, say 13th question. That is, suppose see there is a tricky question. It is a PQR triangle. If these two are equal, then PR square is equal to what? Options. PQ square, B, 2QR square, C, QR square, D, root of QR. Correct answer is PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. But both are equal means PQ is replaced by QR or QR is replaced by PQ. I hope you will get B. B is the answer. Such types of questions may come across. So be alert while studying the chapters, particularly triangle and circles. In this manner, you can go through the chapter, go on tackling the questions. So after this, I switch over to the biggest chapter called surface area and volume. Okay. Next, the chapter I have chosen is surface area and volume. I think more than 15, nearing to 18 formulae are there. You must know all the formulae. For example, Q, CSA 4A square, TSA 6A square, volume, it is A cube or L cube, cuboid, volume L into B into H, 2H into L plus B, CSA, LSA, lateral. Like that, you must remember, sphere, TSA 4 pi r square. If you take only hemisphere, 2 pi r square. If it is solid, 2 pi r square and the top one, pi r square. Altogether, 3 pi r square. Cone, pi rl, surface area. Total surface area, pi rl plus pi r square. That is pi r into r plus l. See how I am telling the formulae. You are also having the same capacity, 100%. So you must list out all the formulae first. I am sure you are going to get 3 minimum questions, 2 or 3, fixed. They may ask, say, volume, they may ask TSA, they may ask CSA. 18 to 20 formulae you will get. First term definitely they ask. So now, depending upon formula and some problems, I have written 10 questions. Watch. TSA of the solid hemisphere. Solid means covered. If you take a leather ball, cut it off at the mid. It is completely filled up. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square. 3 pi r square is the answer. Of course, we have to write square units. You have to see that square units. Volume of cone. Cone structure formula you must know. Cone. Volume of this cone. Here you can write like this cone. It is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Where it is here. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Square units annangilla you must not say. You must say cubic units because volume. Slant height of the frustum of the cone is this. You must know the formula. That's why slant height of the frustum of the cone is that. And in the same manner, I would like to give you few more questions. Say, volume of hemisphere, 2 by 3 pi r cube, 3 by 2 pi r cube, 2 by 3 pi r square h, 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of hemisphere. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Half of 4 by 3 is 2 by 3. A is the answer. Next. Pi into R1 plus R2 bracket close DL. It is the formula of what? It is the formula of what? It is the formula of which solid figure? CSA of cylinder, CSA of frustum of cone, CSA of cone, TSA of cone. TSA is not possible here. It is, there are 2 radii including this. I hope it is B, frustum of cone, CSA. Next, if radius and slant height of the cone are 2 and 2.8, then CSA is. Formula for that is pi r square h. Don't write the formula. Now we are in the calculation part. Pi r square h. It is the CSA of what you call pi RL. Sorry, it's a pi RL. Pi RL. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 2 and L is 2.8. Don't write the formula. Pi RL it is. Pi r square h is say cylinder. CSA. It is CSA of cone. Pi RL. 22 by 7 into 2 into 2.8. 2 1 7 1 are 7.47. Then multiplication of all these three lead to what you call 17.6 meters square. See, you will get to within half minute or maximum 1 minute. Next, volume of cube is 125. Then what is the length of its edge, side? Volume formula you must remember. It is L cube. Remove the cube. You keep it in the cube root. Cube root of 125 is 5. Search where it is. It is in centimeter. So this is the answer. You watch the figure. The cone is surmounted on a hemisphere like this. Means this area is open. Over that cone is kept. Then what is its TSA? TSA means don't find TSA of cone and TSA of what you call hemisphere, because both are hollow. See the figure directly. So you have to calculate the CSA of cone, pi RL, CSA of hemisphere, 2 pi r square. Where that answer? 2 pi r square plus pi RL. I hope it is here. See here, 2 pi r square is here, 2 pi RL is here. It is only pi RL. Pi RL is here, no 2 pi r square. This will never come. Now, 10 meter deep well, 10 meter deep height, it is called height. Diameter means radius will be half. Is dug, then capacity to hold the water. Capacity and volume both are same. Formula for that is pi r square h. That is 22 by 7. 7 by 2, 7 by 2 into 10. 7, 7 cancels, 2 11s are, 2 5s are, 7 5s are 35, 35 11s are, it is correct answer is D, 385 meter cube. You will be confused. 385 centimeter cube, you will not see these three, then you will go for marking this. This is the tricky question I have tackled. You watch carefully. Centimeter cube is meter cube because these two are in meters. For these two are the not answers according to the formula. Then you must think of what you call D. And the last one, it is cylinder. 2 hemispheres from the top and the bottom are scooped out. Then what is the TSA of this sphere? Total. When you scoop it out, you can see the portion, that area. That's why it's called 2 pi r square. It is 2 pi r square, means twice 2 pi r square and plus this 2 pi r h. Altogether, answer is A. You can watch. Same 2 pi r h, pi r square. Seem to be same. But here twice comes. Or sometimes in the exam they may give you 4 pi r square. When you add these two, you will get a sphere. So that's why I have solved problem part and I have solved formula part. So students, be thorough with the formula, all the list of the formulae, and how to solve quickly. You try to understand. You practice this, with this geometry is over. Thank you.